In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up our jobs, projects, customers, task, mileage, and departments inside of your OnTheClock account on a web browser. So to set these things up, you'll want to go ahead and navigate to the settings section of your OnTheClock account. First, we have departments. So if you click on departments, you can go ahead and click add department. You can name that department and then also set a department code if you would like, and then remember to press save. Again, under settings, if you go to jobs, similar to departments, go ahead and click add job. You also have the ability to come in and edit any of your existing items like this. And then if you go to our job and project costing setup, here is where you'll see the customer, project, and task section. All of these fields are able to be customized and renamed to something different. So if you would like this to be labeled as job, you can go ahead and do so. And then each of these categories right here, you'll notice that there is a drop down. You can enter in sub tasks or sub projects or sub customers for each of these items here. And then similar, again, you have the ability to add a code as well if you would like. To make sure that you have mileage tracking enabled inside of your OnTheClock account, if you navigate to settings and then time clock settings, under our advanced settings section, you'll first want to make sure that you have mileage enabled so you can view that on your time card. And then the next step is you'll want to go ahead and turn this on for the employees inside of their profile that you would like to have the ability to add mileage. So to do this, go ahead and click on employee and then choose that employee. And then under the employees additional feature section right here, you'll see we have allow entering mileage. Go ahead and make sure that has been turned on for that employee and then press save settings. And then inside of your time card section, you can go ahead and view all of those fields right here. So if you wanted to add a day and you wanted to apply any of those categories to an employee timesheet, go ahead, select that employee, choose add punch, and you'll see all of the fields expand right here. So you can go ahead and fill out that employee's time card. And once you've added all of the information to your employee's time card, go ahead and tap save. So now that we have added that time card for the employee, we can go ahead and view that time card right here in my time card section. And we'll go ahead and navigate to that. And we can see that all the information I've just added has been added to my time cards. Another way that you can view your information is by pulling a job and project costing report in OnTheClock. To do this, you can go ahead and navigate to settings. And then if you go back into the job and project costing setup, you'll see that we have this job costing report section. If you were to click on this, you'll see you have the ability to enter in dates. So we can go ahead and select the to and from dates that we're interested in looking at. You can also enter in the period that you're looking for. This will coincide with your pay periods that you have predetermined in your OnTheClock account. If you want to report by a manager or employee, you can go ahead and do so as well. And then last but not least, you'll want to go ahead and select the options right here that you're most interested in. So maybe I'm interested in seeing my job and project costing information by date, employee, project, and then customer. And then I can also move these up and down and rearrange to get this to show in the report that I need. You'll have a subtotal for each of these items, and then you'll have your grand total right here too. After you've pulled the report to your liking, you can go ahead and export this report to Excel. And if you want to totally start over, you can go ahead and refresh this report. And you can enter in new information for another employee. And that's it. If you have any other questions about OnTheClock and how to set up a job costing report or pull a report, go ahead and feel free to live chat with us or send us an email to support@ontheclock.com.